guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is testing out some new makeup products. I'm going to do a full face of makeup, testing out new products. So I've picked up a lot of new makeup products recently and I just want to try them out on camera with you guys. Not everything is new. Like, I don't have a new foundation to try, a new eyeliner to try, etc, things like that, but the majority are new products and I'm very excited to do a full face of makeup with them. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, first of all, dying to try this. This is new. This is the Maybelline Grippy Serum Primer. So excited to try this because I am a big serum girl. I love a serum, and this is a grippy serum primer, so I'm dying to try this. It has 2% niacinamide as well. So I'm going to drop this on my face and I'm going to blend it in then with the e.l.f. small stipple brush. Already, I love that. It's just so hydrating on my face and you can feel it's like slightly tacky and sticky, ready for makeup. Now I'm also going to go in with another primer too. This is the 17 Hydro Power Grip Primer. Haven't tried this before, but this is so affordable. I had a major reaction to the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. My skin just came out all red and blotchy, so I had some kind of allergic reaction to that one. So I never use that one again, but it is such a good primer. So I'm hoping that this one is going to be a good dupe. It says for this one, apply a thin layer onto the skin and then leave for 30 seconds to activate the gripping power. So I'm going to apply this and then shortly after that, then I'll put the foundation on. So I'm going to go in with a small amount because I don't know how much I'm going to need. And by the way, 17 is a brand that you can only get in Boots. Oh yeah, this is very, the consistency of this is very sticky and grippy. So very excited to test this out. Okay, I'm just going to leave that sink for a little bit. Then for foundation, now it's not necessarily a new foundation, but I picked up a new shade. So I absolutely love this e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. I have a few shades of this, but I just cannot find my perfect shade. It's either too yellow or too warm. I just can't seem to find my perfect shade. So I picked up this shade, which is a new shade for me. This is the shade 12 Fair Warm. And I'm going to mix it with 14 Fair Cool. Because even the 13 isn't my perfect shade. 13 Fair Neutral is not my perfect shade. So I'm going to try mixing these two and we'll see if that is a perfect shade for me. I'm going to be using my LA Girl makeup sponge to blend that in. So this is the 12 shade, which just looks so yellow. But then the 14 shade is just so peach. So I just can't find, this is the 14 shade. Look at the difference. This is crazy. So I'm hoping now that the mixture of the two will be good. We'll see. Actually, I think the mixture of the two is my perfect shade, which is great. Okay, one thing I'm noticing, the primer is so grippy and sticky that my foundation is struggling to blend, but that's a good thing because this means that this foundation is not going to budge with the primer. I don't know if that's the primer or the grippy serum or a mixture of the both, but they are doing their job very well. So thumbs up for those. Okay, I'm obsessed with this foundation. By the way, this foundation is one of my favorite foundations, the e.l.f. Soft Glam Foundation. It has the perfect amount of coverage for an everyday basis, and the combination of these two shades is just perfect for me. I am gonna have to go in with some concealer just to conceal some of my redness. I'm going through a bit of a skin issue at the moment. I don't know what is going on, but it is crazy. So yeah, but so far so good. Now, I'm going in with the e.l.f. bronzer and contour. The Camo Liquid Bronzer and Contour. I've never tried this before, but it is supposed to be so, so good. However, I've also got a blush as well. However, people say that a little goes a long way. So, oh, by the way, mine is in the shade Fair/Light. I didn't go for the palest one. I went for the next one up, because the palest one was really grey, and I kind of wanted this to be a bronzer as well as a contour. So I'm going to go in, oh, you know when you just don't know how much to put on? I'm going to try that and we'll see how we get on. It's really hard to know, isn't it? First of all, I'm going to use this Morphe M436 stippling brush to blend it in. Then I'm going to go in with the sponge. Yeah. I put on too much, guys. I put on too much. Huh. You know what? I think I might just go straight in with a sponge. Let's just go in with a sponge. This is our only hope. Okay, so as I'm blending this in, I absolutely love the way it's looking. It's making me really, really bronzed, but it also looks slightly muddy, and I think that might be because I just put on too much. But I can fix that with concealer later on, so I definitely like it. Look at on my forehead, it just looks really nice on my forehead. It just needs to be sorted out a little bit on the cheeks better, but I can fix that with concealer. Now, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush. Believe it or not, I have never used a liquid blush before. Never, ever. So I'm very nervous. And I literally am going to do one dot of this because it's going to be crazy. This one is in the shade Cheeky Lychee. Okay, so I'm going to use my e.l.f. Liquid Blush brush to blend it in, but potentially I'll go into the sponge straight after. Very nervous about this. Okay, I'm just going to do one dot. And then I can always add more if I need to. I don't need to. Oh my gosh. Okay. Right. Okay, we're looking like a clown. It's okay. Concealer can fix this. Don't worry. Oh, okay. It's getting better. It's getting better. Imagine if I had done more than one drop. Now, I have a new concealer to try, and it's the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Color Correcting Concealer. Now, obviously, I love this concealer, but this one is the pink one for brightening dark circles. So I really suffer with dark circles. So I wanted to get this to try it out. So I'm going to try this first. And when that's like set down a little bit, I'm going to use the same sponge. And then I'm going to be using the Rimmel Multitasker Concealer in the shade Fair on top and to like highlight certain areas. So I'm just going to pop that in places now. Okay, we're already looking better. I think it has done a job of concealing my dark circles, the Maybelline concealer. I'm just going to go with this on top now. Just going to leave that sinking for 2 seconds. But already the concealer has fixed the blush. So that is good news. Right, now for powder, I don't have a new powder, so I'm just going to use this Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder in the shade Transparent. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. small tapered brush to set my eye area first. Then I'm using the USpicy 31 brush to set the rest of my face. So now that I've set my whole face with powder, the bronzer and the blush have sort of like sunk in and you can't really see them. So maybe next time I'll apply a little bit more. I'm not going in with a powder bronzer or a powder blush now today because I just want to see how these go on their own. But I am going to use this highlighter. This is the Wet n Wild Colour Icon Reserve Your Cabana highlighter. And I'm going to use my Sigma F35 tapered highlighter brush. Now, genuinely, I am not doing any eyeshadow, so I'm just going to go in with a setting spray and then I'll do like my mascara and stuff like that. This is new. This is the Collection Primed and Ready Dewy Setting Spray. I have the matte version of this and I absolutely love it, but I wanted to try the dewy version. And these are so affordable and look how big it is as well. So I hope this is as good as the matte one. Now I'm zooming you in to do my eyes. So I have this Collection Colour Lash and Brow Mascara, clear. Now, I'm just using this for my brows. So I'm popping this on my eyebrows. Now, you know when you just know if a product is going to be good or not by like the first impression? This is not going to be any good. But luckily I had this free in a gift set. This is going to do nothing to my brows. My brows are going to slip and slide all over the place all day. I don't have a new eyeliner to try, so I'm just going in with my regular NYX Epic Wear Liner Stick in the shade Deepest Brown. Now for mascara, I'm going in with this NARS Climax mascara, and it's like a mini version in the shade Explicit Black. I actually had this for free in some kind of set thing, so I wanted to try it out. This is what the wand looks like. Quite nice. So yeah, let's try this one out. So I'm going to curl my lashes with my Tweezerman Eyelashes Curlers first. Not sure how I feel about that mascara yet. It's okay, but it's quite thick, so it's okay. I don't know if I'd repurchase because it's quite an expensive brand, NARS, but it's okay. Now finally for lips, I picked this up in TK Maxx, TJ Maxx if you're in America. So this is the Laura Geller Treat and Go Tinted Lip Oil in the shade First Place. This was like $4.99 in TK Maxx, so really affordable. And I love a lip oil. Absolutely love that shade too, and it feels really nice, doesn't feel sticky or uncomfortable. Love that. Okay, so that completes this video. This was my testing out new makeup tutorial for 2025. So this is all makeup that I've been dying to test out recently, and I've been like collecting them all, ready to do a full face of makeup with them. And the majority of products I really loved, I've got to say. The only thing I wasn't really fussed on was the Collection Brow Mascara and the NARS. Everything else I've absolutely loved, especially the primers. Those primers are really, really good. So if you don't have those primers that I used today, the serum and the primer, get them. They are so good. My face is not going to move all day. So, and they're so affordable as well. So yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!